Wow, my first year at university is almost over and I feel completely lost. Did I make the right decision? Did I choose the right faculty? Which path should I take after I finish? It's almost 3 a.m. Stress and anxiety are killing me. I'm so tired, but I can't sleep. So many difficult questions, thoughts and problems, and I have zero answers. But wait, what if this is only a bad dream and I just need to wake up? I would do anything to open my eyes and see myself 10 years from now.
Hello guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. Wait, how can I welcome you back when this is actually the first video on my channel? Cut this. So we start over. Hello guys, and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel you will hear everything about online marketing, trading, Forex, e-commerce, everything that you want. You will find the correct information on my channel. I spent last 4 years creating content on my native language, and over those 4 years I was able to accumulate over 150k followers combined on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram platforms. But now it's time to move forward and to start fresh. I will leave you my new social media accounts and you can follow me there, ask me anything you want. But for now, as you jumped here because you saw the title of the video, I'm going to divide this video into 2 parts. In the first part, I'm going to present you my brand new Mercedes GLC Coupe, and in the second part of the video, we're going to jump into my studio where I'm going to share with you my background, my life story, how was I able to start from basically nothing, almost minus, and to be able to create some kind of success, in my opinion. So, without further ado, this is my brand new GLC Coupe 2024 300 diesel. It has 250 horsepower plus 23 horsepower from electricity, so basically it's a hybrid model. I was waiting 2 years for a restyled model, and now I'm glad that I was able to purchase this car. In my opinion, this is like the most beautiful car in my opinion. I'm not like a car specialist or something, and now I will just roughly explain what it has from equipment. And you already saw it's a blue color. It has beautiful black tires. Also it's night package with these borders, and also it has a sunroof as well. It's easier for me to tell you what he doesn't have. He doesn't have like a head-up display, because I used to drive cars with heads-up display and it bothers my eye during the ride. It doesn't have massage seats, and it doesn't have like the back suspension rotation. You know, I think it's like 10k more in equipment, and it's a waste of money. So come here now with me. I'm going to show you the back of the car. As you can see here, it's a little bit different compared to the previous model. It has beautiful sports spoiler, which I also added like an extra equipment. It has it's a little bit different. I think it's wider and longer compared to his let's say older brother or previous GLC Coupe version. And yeah, basically the main thing that kept me waiting for like 2 years was the change. Come here, I'm going to show you the change of the interior. Now we don't have anymore like a small tablet, you know, it's really ugly. Now we have really new and restyled interior as well. As you already saw in the intro, it has some beautiful scenes in the inside and outside as well. But for now, let's jump back into my studio, where I'm going to share a little bit about my background, my success, how was I able to purchase this kind of car, how did I did it, how many years took me to get this kind of car. And for now, yeah, that's it. I will leave you now with some cool additional scenes that I was able to record with this car for all car lovers. Enjoy in the next upcoming like 30 to 40 seconds, and see you guys back into my studio. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon.
What's a better way to start a video than from the beginning? In the next few minutes I want to share my life story with you, from earning my first paycheck to living the life I've always dreamed of. My story kicks off nearly 14 years ago during a scorching summer break. I spent a few weeks working at a construction warehouse to earn some money for a holiday. In 40-degree heat, wearing long pants, I carried 50 kilograms of cement bags. I was so exhausted, I once fell asleep on some pallets. But I earned my money and went to the beach with my friends. In high school, like many of you searching for some extra income, I stumbled upon dropshipping. I googled how to make money online, and back then dropshipping was trending business model. For the upcoming months, I was able to generate 300 euros. I immediately spent 150 on software that was supposed to create a done-for-you dropshipping store on Shopify. Looking back now, I can only laugh and call it a good lesson. Without any experience in video editing, I spent 50 euros on ads, 50 on apps and 20 on a domain. I was left with just 30 euros for Facebook ads. With those 30 euros, I managed to sell a whopping 0 products and lost my entire savings. But the most important lesson I learned: never give up. This was just a lesson. Later, during university, I tutored classmates in accounting, earning around 500 to 600 euros per exam session, which was great at the time. After graduation, I started working at a company for around 400 euros. Despite handling everything from procurement to online sales, I was deeply dissatisfied and knew this wasn't what I wanted to do. I quit and applied to an American marketing company where I earned around 550 euros a month for 6 months until COVID hit. You already know what's incoming. Last in, first out guy, and I was fired. While working at the marketing agency, I completed my master's studies and with a friend started my own SMMA. Our first service was managing and growing Instagram profiles, charging clients 50 euros per month. We initially gathered around 10 businesses but realized it would take too long to scale. So we turned to online courses and digital marketing and web design and web creation. My focus was on web design and web development, while my friend put his focus on digital marketing. Once I mastered this skill, I saw an opportunity to create an online business for myself. I launched a drop servicing business model, one of I was actually one of the first one to talk about it in my native language on social media as well. After a few months, I was making 2k per month from drop servicing. However, the competition quickly caught on and the cost per click for ads skyrocketed over 500%. January 2020, an email that might have completely changed my life. Some might call it a luck, others destiny, but I believe everything happens for a reason. We've been creating websites for the Forex market in EU market when we received a request for a Forex website in English. It turned out to be someone from my country. When we met in person, I recognized the huge potential in what he was doing and in what I was doing, leading me into the world of trading and Forex. Initially, like everyone else, I blew my first 500 euros account because I rushed, I couldn't control my emotions, and I chased my losses. However, I learned from my mistakes. For nearly 2 years, I consistently topped up my balance with additional 500 euros each month and reinvested my profits. This allowed me to build up an account with enough capital that today I could live just from that capital if I choose to. Through seminars we held in Serbia, Slovenia and Croatia, I met many quality people and new business partners. Our trading group is completely free and has over 250 members. We are the only ones trading in a fully transparent and honest way. Out of the last 20 months, 3 were in minus, like 3.5, 3 and 1.8%, while the other months were in profit 5 to 15%. If you want to join and become a member of our group for free, all you need is like 5 minutes a day, some starting capital and of course mobile phone. People are shocked when I tell them they need starting capital. You must understand, you can't trade with candy bars and air. You have to invest your own money. It's your money, everything you earn is yours and no one else takes a percentage. I leave my social media links in the description below if you want to join and get detailed instructions on how to become a member of our group today completely free. Hit me up on my social media accounts. That would be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the car and cinematic scenes and some of my background stories. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my brand new YouTube channel, and I leave you with a few last cinematic shots. Until the next time, big greetings from my YouTube channel. Cheers! After recording, I received a call from a guy saying he wants to join our group, so I went to a secret place to explain him what to do. Trust me, it's very easy.